Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting prerequisites. Make sure Elsa is ranked and equipped for sustained damage and fury uptime. First, open with a safe bait and land a light to probe for parry or evade. Once the enemy commits, follow with a heavy that you can cancel into a special to build fury stacks. Use one short combo, light, light, heavy, and then back off. This gives you the first stacks and confirms AI behavior before committing to extended pressure. Once done with the opening, focus on stacking. You want 3 to 4 fury stacks before launching higher cost specials because they scale Elsa's damage reliably. Use her SB2 as a safe, searchable special to convert stacks into steady damage. Save SB3 as a commit when you've confirmed an opening or the opponent's phase is safe. Make sure to rhythm your heavy cancels and avoid trading into unblockable or armor frames. This approach keeps pressure while minimizing risky window exposure. To finish, you should reserve SB3 for when fury stacks and utilities like precision buffs align, then strike decisively. If you miss a cancel or hit an unblockable phase, immediately reset. Create space, land a safe ranged bait, and rebuild stacks rather than forcing trades. If the method fails repeatedly, switch masteries or tweak your rotation tempo. Small changes to timing or fury thresholds often fix consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.